Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Carrot real estate website. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Carrot website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin from your Carrot real estate website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and sometimes they go their own way. So you need to remove access to your Carrot website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Carrot website dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Carrot account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove an admin from one of your Carrot real estate websites, here on the top right, click on your initials. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu and you want to click here on team member. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different team members or admins you have in your account. So you can see there's 3 of us here. And in order to remove or delete one of your admins, look for their name. And then off to the right, you're going to see this edit button. Click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the permissions you've given to that person. So you can remove permissions by clicking right here and just adjusting that. However, if you want to simply delete that team member or admin, click here, delete this team member in red. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see this team member was successfully deleted. So now they no longer have access to my websites or my Carrot account unless I come back in here and re-add them. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Carrot website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.